All right, it's gonna be a little dark back here. I'm gonna try my best. Actually, you know what? Let me see if I can get some more light. Well, this I'll have to do for now. All right, so what I have is a Keystoker 90 self-feeding. Let me step back so you can see the whole John. Self-feeding stove, rice coal stove. This is her. Bought her used, had her refurbished. She ducts outside and ducts up into my heating duct system. So I kind of have like central heat. Problem is, blower motor went bad. Stove shop tried to charge me $350 for this bammer, but they slept on the big homie skills, and as a result, they gave me all my information, including part number and whatnot, etc., etc. And I got to see him take it apart. It's the new blower motor. So I said I'm not gonna spend no $350 when all it is one Phillip head flathead screw and taking apart my wiring. We have it is grounded. You're not gonna be able to see. Well, there you go. You can see a little bit. It's your ground right there. You're hot and you're neutral. So first thing I'm gonna do is tape those 3 loose wires off. I'm gonna tape them all with my white tape, mark them. There's our white tape, electrical tape, mark them, and that way I know how it all goes back together. Not that, you know, it'd be hard to figure out. It's not a lot of wires, but you know, it's just a habit of mine. So, and I have it marked on the other side too. And so that's basically gonna be it. I'm gonna take these wires apart, mark, label everything, pull the cord through the hole. It's not great. And if I get a chance, let me see if I can move it. There you go. You can see it's got a little grommet in there. Pop that bad boy out, pull the cord out, unhook the entire blower motor, and then I am going to swap the new one in its place, push all the wiring back in, reattach it, and me and the wife will be ready for this winter, nice and warm. All right. So I will put model numbers and descriptions and links and all that whatnot in the description. If somebody's interested in a Keystoker stove, or if somebody's interested in selling a wood stove, we'd be interested.